Hey guys, David from Trade Support Group. How is everyone doing? Hopefully very well. So we're going to do a quick rundown, of course, of Bitcoin USD. We covered this last week. We do it on a weekly basis to keep you guys informed. If my memory serves me correct, last week while we were analyzing the Bitcoin USD, mainly on technical analysis, we were floating right around 7,500 or so, and we predicted a price outbreak up to around this mark here, which is approximately 8,500. And well, Bitcoin went as high as 8,450. So we were close, not far away. The main thing I want you guys to take a look at is we are up to this 61.8 percentile range on the retracement. So one thing that is key here is to notice that we got stopped. We got pushed back down a bit on this daily chart. It even reached the 84.50 today. This is a very good sign, in my opinion, on BTC USD. This is something that I definitely will keep an eye on, but as you can see, we have crossed over the 200-day moving average here. We broke that. This could be a very positive sign and something to definitely keep our eye on, because if Bitcoin breaks 8,500, we can very well see a huge rally for the Bitcoin at the beginning of the year, over the next 2 or 3 months, shoot on up past 10,000, on up to 12,000. It would not shock me whatsoever, and if you guys have been following it, it won't shock you either. We have seen huge rallies like this from Bitcoin. We've seen huge drop-offs. So, but if we're looking at it and analyzing it on a technical only basis, you see we're sitting on top of a nice support line now. You can see these touches here. There's a bunch of bunched up candles here. So it may bounce at around 8,000 and shoot back up. I am putting my cards all on the table here and saying Bitcoin will reach 10,000 within the next couple of months, and that's being generous. Could be a lot quicker. You know, as I said, we've seen it do crazy things in the past. So we definitely want to pay attention to this and keep our eye on it. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever of how to trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, any cryptocurrencies, or any instrument in general, we can show you the very basic fundamentals of technical chart reading and provide you with further assistance from there to make you a professional trader. Work from home. You know, it's not at all the grass is greener on the other side type of thing, but we will be there with you every step of the way to make sure that you are successful and that you are at least achieving step-by-step goals, because it takes some time. But look, guys, again, a nice easy read here. Again, we predicted ourselves last week. You can watch the video. Past 8,000 up to 8,500, and again, I'm going to say it, past 8,500, I'm looking at Bitcoin at 10,000 within the next month to a month and a half. All right, and I wouldn't be surprised if it's much more than that. I'll just say that. So if you guys need any assistance, tradesupportgroup.com. Let us know how we're doing, and if we can help you guys with anything, we'll show you how to trade every single instrument that you want to trade and learn to work from home. Have your own freedom. All right, guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Let me know how we're doing. We will speak soon. Take care.